The Secrets Behind Quick Thinking and Instant Decisions from Blink by Malcolm Gladwell. Have you ever heard of thin slicing? It's basically using small bits of experience to make smart choices, quickly separating useful information from the noise. Basically using a slice to understand the whole cake. As Gladwell says, the key to good decision making is not knowledge, it's understanding. The silent narrators. Gladwell shows us the power of non-verbal cues, the silent storytellers. He says we have, as human beings, a storytelling problem. We're a bit too quick to come up with explanations for things we don't really have an explanation for. These cues, however, help us read between the lines and understand what's not being said. They tell tales more profound than words ever could. Overanalysis gridlock. Overanalyzing can be a trap. It can make us lose sight of what really matters. Gladwell says in the act of tearing something apart, you lose its meaning. Blink advises us that we should focus on the main idea instead of getting lost into too many details. The mastery of snap judgments. Blink emphasizes that our unconscious mind is a powerful force, but it's fallible. It's not the case that our internal computers always shine through. Basically saying that quick decisions can be a superpower, but they're not always right. Blink teaches us how to make our snap judgments better with awareness and practice. So as we wrap up, think about this. How can you fine-tune your ability to make quick, smart decisions? Blink offers a gateway to mastering this essential skill.